What's the meaning of Austro dash? Austro. Austro.
Austro. Austro. The prefix Austro dash comes from the Latin word auster, meaning south. It is used to indicate a relation or association with the southern regions of a country or continent. For instance, Austroasiatic refers to a language family spoken in Southeast Asia, while Austro-Hungarian refers to the monarchy that ruled over Austria and Hungary. In general, the prefix is used to denote southern characteristics or associations, particularly in relation to geography, culture, or history.